So to start with this project, you need some trays from the Dollar Tree, the wooden ones. These are by Crafted Square. I got 4 wooden dowels. I had those in my stash already to secure the trays together. Then a sanding block to sand off any splinters, sponge paintbrush. Got some white paint from the Dollar Tree, trying that out to see how it works. And some glue. This I'm using the Gorilla Glue. And let's start by sanding the trays, the splinters off of the trays. And then after I do that, then I started painting with the white paint. So this is painting the actual tray itself. I paint the inside and the outside with the white, but it came out translucent, so it just looked like it was whitewashed. So this was the part that was really frustrating to do because I forgot to dampen the wood so the Gorilla Glue could work, and I ended up using painter's tape to tape it down so it'll stick together, and after that it kind of worked out, but I wasn't really paying attention to the instructions on the Gorilla Glue bottle, so that's where it went left. And that is that portion. Now I have to do the other side, and I wanted to throw the whole project out the window after that. But in the end, it worked out. This is just, hey, stuff happens, and it's okay. So I finished the 2-tier tray after, Lord, frustration. The Gorilla Glue would not stick because I neglected to dampen the wood first. So I used some Aliens tacky glue and it was good. And then I hot glued the little feet. This is going on my desk, so I don't mind that it's not perfect. For when I finish my jewelry pieces, I just throw them in there. So this is what it's looking like. Next time I'll buy the popsicle sticks and glue them on each side. But when you know better, you do better. But I'm just showing what I did, and I didn't realize I had a heart and then this shape. But it's for my desk, so who cares? But when I do this again, I'll do it a different way. But this is cute. The only thing with the Dollartree paints, the white paint is so translucent, I would say. So it didn't show up, so I had to use the yellow, and then I did the gold glitter paint over it. And I put some of the white to give it like a rustic look. So it came out pretty cute, I think. Anywho, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.